Hello children, welcome to today's cultural and creative art class. In today's class, our topic is value and maintenance. What is value? Value is the usefulness or worth of something. Value determines or describes what is important to us. What is important to us is something that guides, motivates attitudes and actions. Maintenance. Maintenance are the activities carried out on daily or regular basis to make our things in good working condition. Maintenance is done through simple number 1, cleaning, number 2, testing, number 3, servicing, number 4, repairing or replacing the parts, number 5, rebuilding, number 6, reclaiming, etc. Maintenance preserves the value based on things. Maintenance preserves the value placed on things. Types of maintenance. Value determines the kind of maintenance applied to value. There are three types of maintenance. Number 1, corrective maintenance. This is the maintenance carried out after an equipment is no more working. Number 2, preventive maintenance. This is the maintenance carried out on equipment so that they will not stop working. Number 3, predictive maintenance. This is the maintenance required special instruments to detect a likely fault in any equipment. For example, tire gauge, oil gauge, etc. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class.